Today I'm at the Grasslands Golf and Country Club community in Lakeland, Florida, and this is a wonderful community. If you're thinking about relocating to Lakeland, Florida, and you're looking for a condo, I have one just for you. This Muirfield condo, almost 1,800 square feet with an extra deep one-car garage, is perfect for professionals or anyone who loves golf. Enjoy maintenance free for only $476 a month, and they take care of everything on the outside, plus it's gated. That includes water, basic cable too. This condo is right across the street from the clubhouse and the pro shop. If you're thinking about downsizing, this condo will be perfect. And if you're just a professional and maybe a golfer and you want to be in Lakeland and want a condo, I can't wait to show you this. And check out this gazebo. What a lovely place to go and see the fountain and this water view. Actually, you can see this fountain and water view from the condo. Okay, so let's take a look. When you first walk in, you're greeted by these beautiful wood staircase. And then as you walk in, you have the vaulted ceilings and the open floor plan. And look at all this natural light. There's the dining room. And look at this spectacular water view that I showed you before from the gazebo. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Contact Elizabeth Willers with SERHANT and the Willers Home Team to schedule a viewing today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Contact Elizabeth Willers with SERHANT and the Willers Home Team to schedule a viewing and discover the lifestyle that awaits you at Grasslands.